Yes.
I'm Dr. Camden Clay, chiropractor at the Atlanta School of Massage, 2018, teaching assisted stretching postures from Thai massage. This is our Scoliosis Resolution section of this course, utilizing a posture called costovertebral stretch. This is Renee, and she has a moderate scoliosis in her thoracic spine, and I asked pardon me, I stutter. Lindsay, could you fix this for her? Huh?
If you show me how.
I will. Okay. Turn this way. Hold here and arch your back. You're going to get the shirt up. It starts right there. Its apex is there and it ends there. Get your fingers deep in the lamina groove and come down fast, and you can feel that. Can you see that? Okay.
My hands are cold, so sorry.
Feel that? Want to feel this, D?
Yes.
Give me a hand here. You're going to go, it's going to start right there, dig in super deep and come down fast.
Yeah, feel that.
Not that fast. Got that? Who else wants to feel this? Okay. Dig in deep. Feel that curvature?
A little bit.
Well, check it again. Go in deep. It's going to go to the far right and then far left.
I can see it out. Yeah.
Got that?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Does anybody else want to feel this? Come on in. Go, oh no, just glide and slide all the way down, kind of fast. Come on down, and then hard. Yep, got it. Okay, are we done now? Okay. Thank you for volunteering. Do you get back pain there a lot?
Yeah, it like cracks and
Yeah. Soon that'll be gone. We're going to straighten that out with a very gentle, very light, low force technique, and then we're going to teach you how to use the connective tissue strap procedure B from spine yoga, and doing that is going to keep it clear lifelong. So lay face up right here where D is. See, it's on your, check it, it's on your right hand side. So you're going to lay with your head here, face up. Lindsay, where are you? Oh, good. So what you're going to do, this hand under your head, is we're going to find the apex of the curvature, and then you're going to hold in the lamina groove and grip her ribs or rib at the apex, and you're going to pull it to pull the curvature, pulling it the wrong way, making it worse. Her entire connective tissue tree is going to unify to fight against you. It does not want to have the scoliosis worse. Every connective tissue fiber is going to join in and pull. If you pull too hard, it does not work. It's going to pull, 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 pull. You let it win. Got it? Good. And this works basically every time. So you can have a seat here. Now, let's have several people just lightly touch, okay? Remember when we felt the sacral rhythm? It was an exceptionally light touch, right? What's going to happen when it pulls? She's going to go turgid, and it's going to pull it. Then it's going to get tired and it's going to stop. When it stops, it's going to go flash or strike back. It's going to go turgid back and forth. Okay, now I'm going to pull you up here. Let me get in here and look for that line that I drew. There it is right there. Okay, got it. Now rest back. So you're going to pull her arm up here, and now stabilizer. Put this hand right exactly there where my finger is, and stabilize here. Let her hips down. Down. And now you're going to pull up this way. And that part one now elongate. Got it? And now pull. You can brace here and float up. Elongate your head up. And it's pulling. It's pulling, it's pulling, it's pulling. I can feel it here. Do you
Can
feel
I
it pulling?
readjust my
Yeah,
hand?
yeah. Can you feel it pulling? Good. You're doing fine. Keep pulling. Let it win now. And it's pulling still. It's pulling, pulling, pulling. And it just stopped. It's fine. You're doing great. It just stopped. My fingers sunk in. Did you feel that? You did, didn't you?
I thought I
It
did.
just came back tense again. So it's pulling again. You're doing great. It's pulling, still pulling. And it just stopped again. The fingertips sunk in. Taking a little break. And it just started back again. Got that feeling or not? Do you feel that? At some point it's going to stop pulling and just stay stopped. And it's pulling, it's pulling, it's pulling. It's pulling. And it's pulling. Won't take very long. This happens pretty darn fast, and it just stopped again. Then my fingertips again sunk in, and it still stopped. It still stopped, and it still stopped. So probably we're done. Come on up. Let's check it and see. Right back here, Renee. Hold the table. Arch a little bit. Arch your back like a cat, like that. Good. And then bring your shirt up and back. And now I'm going to recheck this. I'm going where it started. And now it is straight. So catch this. If you were checking her for the first time, would you notice anything? The answer is no. If this was the first time you were checking and you wouldn't notice it, that means it is WNL within normal limits. Whoever checked her, recheck it. Lindsay, is that gone? Yep. So you're going to start up there, go in deep and come on down.
Yeah.
Is it gone, Diane?
Yeah.
Good. Who else checked this? Okay. Come on, Ace. Dig in deep.
Yeah, I can breathe better.
Who else checked this? Did you check this, Dee? Come on here, dear. Start up way up there. Now come on down in the grooves.
Yeah, that's definitely straighter.
Is it straight?
You're straight.
Thank you very much. Did anybody else pre-check this? And now stand up and turn. And you just said you could breathe better?
Yeah, it was
Isn't that
like
cool?
catching back here. I didn't even notice it, but yeah, I can feel it now.
Good. Stay right there. I'm going to teach you on a break how to do connective tissue strap procedure B, which is where you put the knot in the lamina groove at the old apex, anchor to the left, pull diagonally to the right, lean right, and push the spine to the left as you lean forward to the right, pull diagonally forward, up, around, elongate upwards, lean backwards, and hold. And that does the same thing to yourself that Lindsay just did to you. Y'all do both sides, above and below, and it'll stay clear lifelong. That technique is in our book at quickselffixes.com entitled Scoliosis Resolution. Thank you.